So this is my first meal. It is after 4 o'clock. So I have leg quarters with bacon and cheese. My green beans, I made 2 eggs. This is 0 carb bread with peanut butter and chia seeds. And this is going to be my meal for the remainder of the night. Day 2. My zucchini, sausage, greens, chicken from leftover yesterday, and a big old salad. And I've been snacking on this while I've been cooking my zucchini and making my salad. So day 2, after 4 o'clock. Right, so day 3, I have a keto cookie. And I have my celery, peanut butter, pancake, and sausage.
Ooh,
I have my ice. And then I made some lettuce tacos with the hamburger meat, cheese, and salsa.
Ooh,
Bam.
That's like a
So
restaurant.
today it is Saturday, and I have changed my eating schedule. I am no longer doing it at 4, I'm doing it at 2. Finally got my sugar-free syrup to go on my pancakes. I got a little bit of broccoli, beef hot dog, 3 chickens, and 1 cookie. Not sure if I'm going to have my ice cream, but either way, this is my meal. All right, so today it is day 5. It is Sunday. I am getting ready to have my 0 carb toast with butter. First time eating salmon. I have some green beans. I have a sausage. I have my snack, which is skins, and then I have my nice bowl of salad with cheese and cucumbers and chia seeds, and then I'm gonna have my bulletproof coffee, and then for my dessert is this keto chocolate ice cream. And guess what? I am down 5 pounds. Yes, OMAD, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my ice from yesterday. All right, so today I am in a breakfast mood. So I have some eggs, 0 carb bread, and 2 sausage patties, some green beans that I had left over from yesterday. I love my skins, and I'm eating a few pieces of shrimp that my husband don't know about, and I'm having my celery with peanut butter and my ice. So this is my meal for Monday, the 15th of OMAD. I'm so proud of myself. So here I have, it's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday!
So I have some meat, salad, cheese, and salsa. The barbecue sauce, it is for my ribs. And I'm going to have 2 sausage and a little bit of eggs for my breakfast and dinner. And then I'm going to have a dessert. And that is it for
Ice cream for your dessert.
my OMAD 1 meal a day. So today I am having French toast. It was mixed with egg, and I have some 0 carb confectionate sugar with 0 sugar syrup, 2 sausage, a chicken thigh that I made from yesterday, and I decided to add some carbs because apparently yesterday I ate too light and I almost fell out. So I decided to add a little bit of carb to my 1 meal a day. So this is quinoa, and I have some corn. So this is 1/4 of quinoa and 1/4 of corn. So that totals up to maybe around 40, close to 50 carbs. So that's what I'm mostly going for, 50 carbs a day or every other day.